How to get a receipt from eBay. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can download or see your receipts from your eBay orders. So for that purpose, head over to ebay.com. And once you're on ebay.com, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your account, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then you're going to go on to My eBay. It's going to open a Dropbox, and from there you're going to click on Purchase History. I have actually not ordered anything in particular from eBay at all, but once you see the orders, it's going to show up a list of different orders right here. And from that orders, what you're going to do is you're going to click on More Actions, and from the More Actions, you're going to click on Order History. And once you click on Order History, it's just going to generate an entirely big invoice on a receipt of the order that you've had. And that way you can basically just receive any receipts of the order. Naturally, you would receive it into your email address anytime you make a purchase as well. But in case you didn't, you can manually select and receive the receipt directly from going onto the purchases section on myebay.com. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.